8393. Last four numbers. Let's pull something cool.
I can remember how to do this. Still need that.
Oh yeah, good call.
You know, they like to double seal these for us.
No tampering. Advertising.
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3.
Down, down, empty.
Down,
gone.
down, empty.
Alright.
This box break has been brought to you by the Flying D's. Big D's. You're not at the luxury of knowing what it stands for. So, good luck with that. Alright, we got Josh Hansen, base. We have a pretty white one. We have a Premier for Vancouver at a $12.99. Griffin Molino. We have a double hit pack here. We have Taylor Hall Sub-Zero for New Jersey.
Nice.
And then Cam Talbot.
I got base of Nylander. Base of Scheifele. Pretty white one. Lucas Walmart Premier out of $9.99. $9.99.
Oh, Walmart. I thought you said Walmart. I'm like, no way.
He's not from Walmart. He's Walmart. And Bailey base.
All right, we have a Mike Green for Detroit base. We have a Chris Letang white a base. Glaciograph at a 75 for Columbus Blue Jackets. Cam Atkinson. Well,
oh, that's a nice one.
That's purty. That's purty. Shen and then Giordano.
We got a Braden Point base. Pretty white one. Premier for Chicago, Jan Ruta. $12.99 out of number 323. Card number 111. And base of Sammy Vatanen and base of Vander Kane.
Jack Eichel base. Pretty white one. We have another Sub-Zero rookie. New Jersey. Look at that, another New Jersey hit. Will Butcher. Sagan and Sedin.
You get a Taylor Hall one too?
Yeah.
Nice. So you got Backstrom base. We got Brian Rust base. Ooh, we got for the Islanders an orange jersey. Matches the orange. Josh Hosang. Premier jersey. Nice. Then we got Nikita Kucherov base and Darnell Nurse base.